Vous faites de la musique depuis les années 70 ensemble et avez choisi de ne pas changer votre style. Parlez-nous-en.
We sort of stick together, you know what I mean, and keep the vibes flowing, you know what I mean, and
And basically we just stick to the same formula really. Since I came into the band, we just stuck to the same formula, which is like just strictly roots music really.
Votre groupe a démarré à l'époque où Bob Marley était encore parmi nous. Vous en êtes fiers?
we're very proud of it, very, very proud of it, because Bob Marley done his work and already gone, you know what I mean, so we started trying to do our best for the people and so on, you know what I mean.
Well, yeah, basically Bob Marley to us is like the king of reggae, because he spread the reggae music to all four corners of the world. And we kind of, like Charlie is saying, we're just following in his footsteps. But so far we got as far as from England to La Réunion here. So that's good for us to be here. Yeah, it's a good step for us.
De plus en plus de groupes de reggae partent en Jamaïque pour enregistrer leur album. Qu'en pensez-vous?
I don't think it's necessary for us to have to go back to Jamaica to do a recording, because we could still do that in England, and probably it might be even better than. I'm not gonna say in Jamaica now, in the music business they might have the influence of how to do it.
The production is good in Jamaica, you know what I mean. Over in England and France, you get it all right, but in Jamaica you get the proper production, you know what I mean, which they know about it in Jamaica more than you know, the depth of it, you know what I mean. You know, everything is produced properly in Jamaica, you know.
C'est une première pour vous à La Réunion?
Yeah, for us really, it's the first time we've been to Reunion Island, and I tell you, we have a wonderful time. Really, I would like to come back. Not said in years to come. In about 2 months, I would like to come back. As soon as that, as 2 months, we'd like to come back to Reunion Island to do some more shows. You know what I mean? Oh, the people are wonderful, and the country is brilliant. Remind us of Jamaica.
Merci infiniment aux Black Roots d'avoir accepté d'être nos invités pour ce spécial reggae. On passe à présent à l'agenda plus éclectique.